Hello guys, today I'm gonna tell you how you can set the scheduled cleaning, and there you have it, the X40 Ultra vacuum from Dreamy. So let's jump to the application. Select your appliance, then click on three dot icon in the right upper corner, and as you can see there you have the scheduled cleanup. Tap on it, then click on the plus, and now you can set the starting time, like for example the 8 p.m. Then the repeat, the daily, on Friday weekend custom. If you want to set the custom, you can set the days manually. Then select that you want to clean with the Clean Genius or maybe the custom, and click on the accept icon in the right upper corner. As you can see, there have a new scheduled cleanup. That's it. Thanks for watching. Leave us a like or comment, and goodbye.